Okay, friends, this is our Chapter 9 math test. Please go ahead and write your name at the top. Number 1. Susan uses unit cubes to measure the length of the yarn. Circle the number of boxes that make the sentence true. The yarn is about 2 centimeters long. The yarn is about 5 centimeters long. The yarn is about 9 centimeters long. Number 2. The paintbrush is about 7 centimeters long. Gavin says that the feather is about 8 centimeters long. Ray says the feather is about 5 centimeters long. Which boy has the better estimate? Explain. So you're going to have to say that Gavin has the better estimate or Ray has the better estimate because, and explain why. Number 3. Alberto uses 8 centimeters of wire for a science project, and he uses another 15 centimeters of wire for another project. How many centimeters of wire does he use? It says that you need to draw a diagram, so you're going to use your number line to draw out what's happening. Then you're going to write a number sentence, and that's what this line is for right here. Use a blank for the missing number, and then solve. Alberto uses blank centimeters of wire. Here's number 3 again. Alberto uses 8 centimeters of wire for a science project. He uses another 15 centimeters of wire for another project. How many centimeters of wire does he use? Number 4. Write the word on the tile that makes the sentence true. So you have the words centimeters, meters, and you would be able to use each word more than once. A pencil is 16 centimeters, meters long. A swimming pool is 50 centimeters, meters long. A bed is 2 centimeters, meters long. A computer keyboard is 42 centimeters, 42 meters long. Number 5. Estimate the length of a real horse. Fill in the bubble next to all of the sentences that are true. The horse is less than 1 meter long. We're thinking of a real horse. The horse is less than 100 meters long. The horse is more than 3 centimeters long. The horse is about 6 centimeters long. The horse is more than 100 centimeters long. Number 6. Measure the length of each object. Does the sentence describe the objects? Choose yes or no. All right, so you have to measure the length of this. Tell me your answer. Measure the length of this crayon. Tell me the answer. Okay. The yarn is 3 centimeters longer than the crayon. Is that true? Yes or no? The crayon is 7 centimeters shorter than the yarn. Yes or no? The total length of the yarn and crayon is 17 centimeters. Yes or no? Number 7. Elizabeth has a piece of ribbon that is 25 centimeters long. She cuts off a piece of the ribbon to wrap a gift. Elizabeth's ribbon is now 7 centimeters long. How many centimeters of ribbon did Elizabeth use to wrap the gift? Write a number sentence using a blank for the unknown number and then solve. So we know that Elizabeth has a piece of ribbon that is 25 centimeters long. She's going to cut off a piece of the ribbon to wrap a gift, and now she only has 7 centimeters left of that ribbon. So how many centimeters of ribbon did Elizabeth use? Your numbers sentence goes here, and the answer goes here, and you can use this number line to help you out. Number 8. Measure the length of the rope to the nearest centimeter. Circle the number in the box that makes the sentence true. The rope is about 12, 13, 15 centimeters long.